In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat Director mode not working. First, open Snapchat and tap the arrow icon on the right side to access Director mode. If the feature isn't working, move on to the next step. Open the Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. If an update is available, install it and then try using Director mode again. If it's still not working, the feature may not be available in your region. In that case, you can try connecting to a VPN and switching to a different country. After changing your region, reopen Snapchat and check whether Director mode is available. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat, as some features require recent updates to work properly. And that's how to fix Snapchat Director mode not working. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.